Amazing facts about time. 1. Leap seconds are occasionally added to correct for Earth's rotation speed changes. 2. Time moves slower in stronger gravitational fields, explained by the theory of general relativity. 3. Ancient Egyptians used an early form of daylight, saving time, employing various methods to maximize daylight hours. 4. The GPS system uses the theory of relativity to determine precise locations on Earth. 5. During the French Revolution, there was an attempt at a 10-day week calendar, which was eventually abandoned. 6. Time travel remains a subject of debate in modern physics, with certain theories suggesting its possibility. 7. The Royal Observatory, Greenwich, serves as the reference point for Greenwich Mean Time (GMT). Astonishing facts about plants. 1. The Amazon rainforest is so dense that raindrops can take up to 10 minutes to reach the ground. 2. Some bamboo species can grow up to 35 inches in a single day. 3. The world's oldest known living tree is over 5,000 years old, located in California. 4. The corpse flower, one of the largest blooming flowers, smells like rotting flesh. 5. Caffeine is a natural pesticide found in the leaves and seeds of some plants. 6. Sunflowers can clean radioactive soil and have been used near nuclear disaster sites. 7. The Venus flytrap can close its trap in less than a second to catch prey. Astonishing facts about the human body. 1. The human body contains enough iron to make a 3-inch nail. 2. Your stomach gets a new lining every 3 to 4 days to prevent digesting itself with its own acids. 3. The human nose can detect over 1 trillion different scents. 4. Humans shed about 600,000 particles of skin every hour, roughly 1.5 pounds a year. 5. Each foot has 26 bones, 33 joints, and over 100 tendons, muscles, and ligaments. 6. The human brain can generate about 23 watts of power, enough to power a small light bulb. 7. When awake, the human brain produces enough electricity to power a small light bulb. Bizarre facts about space. 1. In space, astronauts can grow up to 2 inches taller, due to the lack of gravity compressing their spine. 2. There is a giant cloud of alcohol in Sagittarius, B2, enough to make 4 trillion drinks. 3. Venus spins in the opposite direction to most planets, meaning the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. 4. If 2 pieces of the same type of metal touch in space, they will bond permanently, a process known as cold welding. 5. A day on Mercury is longer than its year due to its slow rotation and fast orbit around the sun. 6. Saturn's density is so low that it would float in water. 7. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Curiosities of human evolution. 1. The human appendix, once thought useless, is now believed to serve as a safe house for good bacteria. 2. The shape of human ears is designed to enhance the sounds of frequencies used in speech. 3. Humans and chimpanzees share about 98.8% of their DNA. 4. The human brain has tripled in size over the last 2 million years. 5. Early humans had a diet that included eating insects, which was a rich source of protein. 6. The ability to walk upright on 2 legs, or bipedalism, is one of the key traits that separated early humans from other primates. 7. Humans are among the few animals capable of throwing objects accurately, and at high speed. Extraordinary animal adaptations. 1. Some frogs can survive being frozen and then thaw back to life, their organs functioning normally. 2. The immortal jellyfish Turritopsis dohrnii can revert to its juvenile form after becoming sexually mature, theoretically living forever. 3. Electric eels generate enough electricity to power 10 light bulbs. 4. Giraffes have a complex pressure regulation system in their necks to prevent fainting when they lift their heads. 5. Axolotls can regenerate lost limbs and even parts of their brain. 6. The pistol shrimp can create a bubble hot enough to rival the sun's surface temperature with its claw snap. 7. The mimic octopus can imitate the shape and behavior of more than 15 different marine species. Fascinating physics phenomena. 1. Quantum entanglement allows particles to instantly communicate with each other regardless of distance. 2. Absolute zero, the coldest possible temperature, is 273.15 C, where atoms stop moving entirely. 3. The Mpemba effect is a counterintuitive phenomenon, where hot water can freeze faster than cold water under certain conditions. 4. Superfluids, like liquid helium, can flow without friction, allowing them to climb walls and escape containers. 5. Time dilation, a concept of relativity, means that time can pass at different rates in different parts of the universe. 6. A sonic boom occurs when an object travels faster than the speed of sound, creating a shockwave. 7. Non-Newtonian fluids change their viscosity under stress or force, behaving like both a solid and a liquid. Hidden facts of Earth. 1. Most of Earth's oxygen is produced by marine plant plankton, providing more oxygen than forests. 2. Despite dry areas like the Sahara Desert, about 70% of Earth's surface is covered with water. 3. The Earth's rotation is gradually slowing down, meaning that in several billion years, days will be longer than they are now. 4. All the continents on Earth were once connected as a single supercontinent called Pangaea. 5. The deepest point on Earth is the Mariana Trench, deep enough to flip Mount Everest upside down into it. 6. The Arctic ice melts in summer and refreezes in winter, but it has been decreasing rapidly over recent decades. 7. Earth's core is primarily made of iron and nickel, and is hotter than the surface of the sun. Hidden facts of the universe. 1. It takes about 4 years for light to reach the nearest star, illustrating the vast scale of the universe. 2. Black holes have such strong gravity that not even light can escape, making them one of the most mysterious phenomena in space. 3. Spacecrafts don't make sound in space, because sound requires a medium like air to travel. 4. The moon has no atmosphere, so the sky is always black and stars are always visible in perfect clarity. 5. The Sunday may appear small from Earth, but it's actually about 109 times the diameter of our planet. 6. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, has such a fast rotation that its day is only 10 hours long by Earth's time. 7. Space is not a perfect vacuum, so explosions in space wouldn't make any sound. Hidden properties of water. 1. Water is unusual in that its solid state, ice is less dense than its liquid form, allowing it to float. 2. Water has been found in space, existing in the form of ice on the Moon and Mars. 3. Water's molecular structure can be altered by sound waves, leading to the theory of water's memory. 4. The hot water freezing HWF phenomenon shows that hot water can freeze faster than cold water under certain conditions. 5. Water is one of the most powerful solvents in the world, capable of dissolving many substances. 6. Rainwater is not perfectly pure water, it contains atmospheric dust and gases. 7. The triple point of water is the unique condition, where water, ice, and water vapor can coexist simultaneously. Humanity's remarkable inventions. 1. The internet connects global information, revolutionizing everyday life. 2. 3D printing technology opens possibilities for custom medical devices, building materials, and even food. 3. Solar panels convert solar energy into electricity, offering sustainable energy solutions. 4. Smartphones provide communication, entertainment, education, and productivity enhancement in one device. 5. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are driving innovation in healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and more. 6. Electric vehicles contribute to reducing dependency on fossil fuels and decreasing air pollution. 7. GPS technology is widely used in navigation, location tracking, and earth science research.
인크레더블 휴먼 바디 팩츠. 더 휴먼 조켄 이그저트 포스 어브 업 투 200파운즈 아니츠 MOLRS. 스터먹 에서드 이즈 스트롱 이너프 투 디잘브 스트리트 AINLESS 스틸. 3. 휴먼즈 글로 인 더 다크 버터 라이트 이미터드 이즈 투 위크 포 아워 아이즈 투 퍼시브. 4. 더 리버 해즈 오버 500 바이털 펑크션즈 언드캔 리제너레이트 이츠 메스. 이빈 애프터 75% 이즈 리무브드. 5. 에이플 헤드 어브 휴먼 HAI야. 이즈 스트롱 이너프 투 서포트 12턴즈 어브 웨이트. 6. 더 휴먼 하트비츠 오버 100영 타임즈 어데이 펌핑 어라운드 2영 갤런즈 어브 블러드. 7. 유 루즈 어바우트 어 쿼터 어브 요본 메스 에버리텐 이즈 버디다리 GNR ATES 오버 타임.
Intriguing animal behaviors. 1. Crows are known to hold grudges against specific individual humans. 2. Dolphins have names for each other, using unique whistles to identify and call one another. 3. Elephants can communicate over long distances using infrasound, which is below the range of human hearing. 4. Sea otters hold hands while sleeping to prevent drifting apart, a behavior known as rafting. 5. A waggle dance, to communicate the location of food sources to other members of their hive. 6. Some species of spiders create decoys of themselves in their webs to confuse predators. 7. Male penguins often gift pebbles to female penguins, as part of their courtship ritual. Mind-bending quantum physics. 1. Quantum tunneling allows particles to pass through barriers that should be insurmountable, according to classical physics. 2. In quantum mechanics, particles can be in multiple states, simultaneously, known as superposition. 3. The observer effect in quantum physics suggests that the act of observation can alter the state of a particle. 4. Quantum entanglement occurs when pairs of particles interact, in ways that the state of one particle is dependent on the state of the other, no matter the distance. 5. Schrödinger's cat is a famous thought experiment that illustrates the paradox of superposition in quantum mechanics. 6. The double slit experiment demonstrates that light and matter can display characteristics of both waves and particles. 7. The Heisenberg uncertainty principle states that it's impossible to simultaneously know the exact position and momentum of a particle. Mysteries of ancient civilizations. 1. The Antikythera mechanism, an ancient Greek device, is considered the world's first computer, used for astronomical predictions. 2. The Nazca lines in Peru are so large that their full designs can only be seen from the air. 3. The Egyptian pyramids were originally covered in white limestone, making them shine brightly in the sun. 4. The lost city of Atlantis is a legend that has persisted for over 2,000 years, but its existence has never been confirmed. 5. The Mayan civilization had a calendar, more accurate than the Julian calendar used in Europe. 6. Stonehenge's construction remains a mystery, particularly how the massive stones were transported. 7. The Terracotta Army in China was buried for over 2,000 years before its discovery in 1974. Mysteries of living in space. 1. In space, the boiling point of water is much lower than on Earth, affecting how astronauts prepare their food. 2. In space, tears don't fall, but cling to the face due to the absence of gravity. 3. Exposed to space without a suit, you would lose consciousness within 15 seconds. 4. Astronauts must exercise daily in space to minimize muscle and bone loss. 5. Without a sense of direction in space, astronauts need to constantly check their orientation. 6. The International Space Station ISS travels at 28,000 kilometers per hour, orbiting Earth every 90 minutes. 7. Astronauts report experiencing a space smell after spacewalks, described as a combination of metal and seared steak. Mysteries of the deep sea. 1. The Mariana Trench is so deep that if Mount Everest were placed at the bottom, its peak would still be over a mile underwater. 2. Bioluminescence is common in deep-sea creatures, used for everything from attracting prey to communication. 3. The pressure at the bottom of the ocean can be over 8 tons per square inch, equivalent to about 50 jumbo jets piled on top of a person. 4. Some deep-sea fish have transparent heads to better see predators and prey, with their eyes, inside the transparent dome of their skull. 5. Hydrothermal vents, also known as black smokers, can reach temperatures exceeding 750 F, yet they support diverse ecosystems. 6. The colossal squid, the largest invertebrate on Earth, can reach up to 46 feet in length and has the largest eyes in the animal kingdom. 7. Many deep-sea creatures have never been observed by humans, due to the extreme conditions and depths of their habitats. Plants' astonishing adaptability. 1. Some plants have seeds that can only germinate after a fire, showing that fire is a natural part of their life cycle. 2. Cacti have evolved their leaves into spines to store water and survive in desert conditions. 3. Mosses are among the oldest plants on Earth, appearing around 450 million years ago. 4. Sea grapes are one of the few fruits that grow underwater, offering a fresh and salty taste. 5. In dark environments, plants stretch towards more light, a phenomenon known as etiolation. 6. Some plants mimic the smell or appearance of specific insects to attract them for pollination. 7. Plant roots can communicate with each other, helping to regulate competition and cooperation among plants. Prospects of future technologies. 1. Quantum computing could surpass traditional computing limits, revolutionizing cryptography, drug development, and climate modeling. 2. Virtual reality (VR) and augmented reality. Our technologies are blurring the lines between reality and the virtual world, in education, entertainment, and healthcare. 3. Biometric technology is becoming increasingly important for security, personalized services, and health monitoring. 4. Artificial photosynthesis could convert solar energy into chemical energy, opening possibilities for sustainable fuel and food production. 5. Nanotechnology holds the potential to provide innovative solutions in medicine, electronics, and environmental protection. 6. Smart city technologies optimize transportation, energy use, and waste management, improving urban living quality. 7. Brain-computer interfaces (BCI) enable direct communication and control between the human brain and computers. Secrets of the deep ocean. 1. The pressure at the deepest point of the ocean is equivalent to having 50 jumbo jets piled on top of you. 2. Some deep-sea creatures can live for centuries. For example, the Greenland shark has a lifespan of up to 500 years. 3. Hydrothermal vents, despite their extreme conditions, support vibrant ecosystems with unique species. 4. The vampire squid has the largest eyes relative to body size in the animal kingdom. 5. Bioluminescence is a common feature in deep-sea creatures for attracting prey and communication. 6. The deep ocean is home to underwater waterfalls and rivers, caused by differences in salinity and temperature. 7. Many species in the deep ocean are yet to be discovered, with scientists estimating millions of unknown organisms. Secrets of the plant kingdom. 1. Some plants can remember and learn from past experiences, like the mimosa plant, which can learn to ignore harmless stimuli. 2. The Amazon rainforest produces 20% of the world's oxygen, and is often referred to as the lungs of the earth. 3. Caffeine was evolved by plants as a pesticide to deter predators, and it affects the brains of bees in a way similar to humans. 4. The oldest living tree is over 5,000 years old, a bristlecone pine in the White Mountains of California. 5. Bamboo is one of the fastest growing plants in the world, capable of growing up to 35 inches in a single day. Surprising science of colors. 1. Blue is one of the rarest colors in nature, as it often results from specific light reflection rather than pigments. 2. The color pink doesn't have a wavelength associated with it, making it a color that doesn't exist, in the traditional sense in the spectrum. 3. Carrots were originally purple and yellow before the 17th century. The orange carrot was bred by Dutch farmers. 4. The human eye can see more shades of green than any other color, aiding in our ancestors' survival in forested landscapes. 5. Gold appears yellow because it reflects yellow and red light, but absorbs blue, giving it its distinct hue. 6. The color of a sunset is due to atmospheric scattering of light, which is why it can range from pink to orange. 7. Chameleons change color not just for camouflage, but also as a response to temperature, light, and mood. The amazing progress of robotics. 1. Robotic surgery allows for more precise operations, reducing recovery time. 2. Autonomous cars are developing the capability to navigate roads without a driver. 3. Industrial robots significantly enhance efficiency and productivity in manufacturing processes. 4. Robotic pets can provide companionship and comfort without the responsibilities of real animals. 5. Cleaning robots reduce the burden of household and office cleaning tasks. 6. Exploration robots can venture into areas difficult for humans to access, like Mars or the deep sea. 7. Collaborative robots, cobots working alongside humans, improve workplace safety and efficiency. The hidden world of insects. 1. Some ants can explode as a defensive mechanism, sacrificing themselves to protect the colony. 2. Dragonflies have a 95% hunting success rate, making them one of the most efficient predators. 3. Butterflies taste with their feet, which contain sensors to help them find their host plants and nectar. 4. A group of fireflies can synchronize their flashing light patterns in unison. 5. The praying mantis can rotate its head 180 degrees to scan its surroundings. 6. Termites build the largest nests of any insect, some reaching over 30 feet tall. 7. Some moths have no stomach and, as adults, do not eat at all. The science of sleep. 1. Humans are the only mammals that willingly delay sleep. 2. Dreaming occurs during REM sleep, and the brain is as active as it is when awake. 3. Some people experience a phenomenon called sleep paralysis, where they are conscious, but unable to move upon waking or falling asleep. 4. The record for the longest period without sleep is approximately 11 days. 5. Lack of sleep can affect the immune system, as much as physical stress or illness. 6. The body's natural clock, the circadian rhythm, is influenced more by light than by the time of day. 7. Newborns spend about 50% of their sleep in REM sleep, which is thought to be essential for brain development. The unseen microscopic world. 1. A single teaspoon of soil contains more microorganisms than there are people on Earth. 2. Bacteriophages, viruses that infect bacteria, are the most abundant biological entities on the planet. 3. Some bacteria can survive in extreme environments, like radioactive waste, and can even eat and neutralize it. 4. The human body is home to viruses called bacteriophages, which specifically target and kill bacteria. 5. Single-celled organisms called tardigrades can survive in space in extreme conditions by entering a desiccated state. 6. The world's smallest flowering plant, Wolfia globosa, is so tiny that a bouquet of its flowers would fit on the head of a pin. 7. Microscopic mites live on our faces, feeding on skin oils and dead cells, and are a normal part of the human microbiome. Unbelievable facts about the ocean. 1. The Pacific Ocean is so large, it could fit all of the Earth's continents. 2. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest living structure on Earth, and can be seen from space. 3. More than 80% of the ocean is unexplored and unmapped. 4. The deepest part of the ocean is in the Mariana Trench, about 36,070 feet deep. 5. The ocean produces over half of the world's oxygen supply. 6. There are underwater lakes and rivers on the ocean floor, formed by differences in salinity and temperature. 7. The blue whale, the largest animal on Earth, has a heart the size of a small car. Uncomfortable truths of climate change. 1. Climate change could submerge some cities by the end of this century. 2. Melting Arctic ice may reactivate ancient viruses and bacteria. 3. Coral reefs are experiencing massive bleaching due to ocean warming, impacting marine ecosystems. 4. Climate change affects pollinators like bees, posing a threat to food security. 5. Rising sea levels increase the risk of freshwater scarcity and land loss for low-lying nations. 6. Greenhouse gas emissions are increasing the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events worldwide. 7. The global shift towards renewable energy and sustainable living practices is becoming increasingly crucial in combating climate change. Unearthed geological mysteries. 1. The Earth's magnetic field has flipped multiple times throughout history, with the North and South Poles swapping places. 2. The Ring of Fire is an area in the Pacific Ocean basin, where a large number of earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur. 3. The Dead Sea is so salty that it allows humans to float without effort. 4. There are more than 1,500 potentially active volcanoes worldwide, aside from those under the oceans. 5. The Great Blue Hole in Belize is one of the world's largest sinkholes, formed during the last ice age. 6. Hondo, a clonal colony of quaking aspen trees in Utah, is considered the heaviest and oldest living organism. 7. The Himalayas continue to grow about an inch every year, as the Indian tectonic plate pushes against the Eurasian plate. Wonders of the solar system. 1. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus, due to its slow rotation speed. 2. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a storm that's been raging for at least 350 years, and is so large it could engulf Earth. 3. Saturn's rings are made primarily of ice particles, and are only about 20 meters thick in some areas. 4. Mercury has no atmosphere, which means there can be a 600-degree temperature difference between its day and night sides. 5. Mars has the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which is nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. 6. Neptune's winds are the fastest in the solar system, reaching speeds of up to 1,500 miles per hour. 7. Uranus rotates on its side, making its axis almost parallel to the plane of the solar system.